Lisa Marie Presley's ex Michael Lockwood is seeking to represent their twin daughters in an upcoming hearing for the singer's trust. The guitarist, 61, asked a judge earlier this week to appoint him guardian ad litem over Harper and Finley, giving him the authority to speak on behalf of the 14-year-olds, according to court documents obtained by Page 6. The next hearing is scheduled for April 13. Prior to Presley's death in January, she and Lockwood had been at odds since she filed for divorce in 2016 after 10 years of marriage. The following year, their daughters ended up in state custody for unknown reasons. Presley alleged at the time that Lockwood had child pornography on his computer, which his lawyers denied. Then, in 2018, Presley requested primary custody of Harper and Finley, but after the 2020 suicide of her son, Benjamin Keogh, Lockwood asked for custody, fearing that her son's death would cause Presley to relapse. Lisa Marie's cause of death remains unknown, but sources previously said she was reportedly taking opioids and weight loss medication leading up to her passing. Since she died, her mother, Priscilla Presley, and her oldest daughter, Riley Keough, have been battling it out over the late singer's will and estate. Priscilla, 77, is arguing against the validity of her late daughter's will, from which she had been removed, by claiming Lisa Marie's signature on a 2016 amendment appeared inconsistent. A source previously told Page 6 that Priscilla's move was strictly a money grab, adding that the only daughter of rock icon Elvis Presley had no relationship with Priscilla, her ex-husband, Michael Lockwood, or her half-brother, Navarone Garibaldi. Sources told the Post that Priscilla and Lisa Marie were not on good terms before her untimely death. Lisa didn't want to have anything to do with her mom, a friend close to the "Lights Out" singer alleged. She was basically estranged from Priscilla for the last 7 to 8 years. They only talked when there was no option. Last month, an insider close to the family told Entertainment Tonight that Priscilla and Riley, 33, were also not on speaking terms amid the court battle. For more Page 6 you love, listen to our weekly We Hear podcast, subscribe to our daily newsletter, shop our exclusive merch. Riley has been mourning the loss of her mother and is heartbroken to have to deal with a trust dispute with a family member, the source said. Priscilla is adamant that she has a valid case and that she will prevail in court. Riley and Priscilla aren't communicating at this time, but have been in communication through lawyers. While Riley would rather settle this dispute privately, both women are reportedly gearing up for a long battle in court. She is heartbroken that this has turned into a public matter and knows her mother would never want this, they continue, noting that Riley is very stressed, but trying to keep a positive attitude. Lisa Marie tragically died on January 12 after suffering from cardiac arrest. She was 54. She was laid to rest next to her son, Benjamin, as well as her late father at Graceland. Following her death, Lockwood mourned the passing of his ex-wife with his lawyer Joe Yanni, telling the Post at the time that his world has been turned on its ear. Michael had been hoping for a speedy and complete recovery because her children needed her, Yanni continued. It is very sad it didn't turn out that way.